Welcome to Serenity. This is our on-site lodging option that sleeps up to 20 guests. It has plenty of space for all of that extra family to hang out. And here is our beautiful master bedroom with every girl's dream walk-in closet. Now we'll move to our master bath with that walk-in shower and double vanity. Now here is the kitchen with the most perfect little breakfast nook. It also has plenty of space for your guests to mingle on your wedding weekend. Next, we have this little half bath. Now I'll take you upstairs. So here is this bedroom on the right. Each room is designed with 3 sets of bunk beds. Next, we have our upstairs full bath. Now taking it all the way down to the basement, we have our game room. We have a pool table, ping pong table, and poker table. We tend to lose a lot of groomsmen here. And here is our wraparound porch that allows you to sit and soak in the serene environment for your wedding weekend.